Alright everybody, my name is Todd, and I seem to be the only person doing MP Mini SLA videos, or caring about it for that matter. So recently, there's been problems with screen cable destruction from hitting the fan. So I figure I'm going to do some preventative maintenance, and we're going to see how if we can maybe fix this or prevent it. I'm kind of the DIY type myself, so I'd rather fix it myself than sending it in for repair or replacement. That's just me. Make sure I'm in frame. Looks to be, so let's get to work. From previous experience, if I remember correctly, there are 6 screws that hold the lid on. Let's see if I actually managed to remove them. I did. Those two. I may not have removed them all the way. Let's see. Looks like the side screws still. So no screw. That's 3 of 6 out. Why in the world are these screws not coming out? Odd. Slight push from the top, just in case they're binding. Yeah, just slightly bound up. What do we have left? Aha, they added new screws. Or did they? They did add new screws. How many? 4. Cool. That's how they're keeping the Z-axis so rigid. So now there are additional 4 screws that attach the cover to the Z-axis. Take this, set it to the side. I'll recover that screw shortly. So we are currently sitting at about 10 screws to get the lid off. This is my cable retention mod. It needs a little work, but it's good enough for the moment. There are the 4 screw holes for the Z-axis. Now let's take the screws out for the top plate. Does that do it? These 2 as well. So that's 6 screws for the top plate. Let's turn it over and see what happens. No. Oh, that is what was needed to remove it. There's our recovered screw. Let's see what we've got here, because this is probably tight. Alright, so we need to remove the top of the Z-axis there, and it looks like we also need to remove the Z end stop. So let's remove that. And remember, I don't have anything wrong with this machine. This is literally preventative maintenance and learning for everyone else. We'll see after the fact if it still prints well. So there's that. I need these 2 screws removed. That's my youngest son, if anyone can hear him. Disconnect that and move it to the side. Z end stop, optical. And here we go. Let's lift. The entire thing comes out. We lose the rods and all. Let's see. The rods come loose. They do. Just don't lose them if they fall over. And yeah, just to make life easier. Need a smaller. Go. Now, what do we got down here? Alright, I'm going to pick you guys up, so hold on for the ride. Alright. Here we are. I'm going to need 2 hands for this, so this might not go very well. Alright. So I'm going to lift this up. And underneath, as you can see, we have a ribbon cable. If this folds the wrong way and goes under there towards that fan, you're kind of screwed. You have this cable here. That's the light control fan. Or the light control wires. It plugs in over on the side. Let's see if I can, there we go. You can see, I don't have enough hands. You can see right there, that plugs into the light. Then we have two wires here that go to the fan. Fan's important. So the big thing with this, and then you can kind of see into the corner, you can see 2 big wires, and that's your power wire that runs to the front screen. The front screen controls everything. And you can see, oh, let's see if I can fix this. You can see a small adapter right there that runs, that goes from the front screen, ribbon cable, to this board. From this board you go to the screen itself, and it is screwed into this plastic molded piece. So what I'm gonna do, and this is for my peace of mind and to show anyone in the future, is I'm gonna take, and when I let this metal down, I'm gonna make sure that this ribbon cable goes up towards this aluminum plate. I'm gonna make sure that this light cable is routed around this plastic molded piece, and I'm gonna make sure that the fan cable here is also routed to the side of everything, so that way nothing can get to the fan on the bottom, which is what causes us our issues. Because that's what it's been seen so far, is that, but that doesn't save us from this cable right here. So I'm going to, honestly, I'm going to do this off camera because I don't have enough hands to do this, and I wasn't prepared because I wasn't sure what I would find. But this cable right here, I have a feeling, is the cable that people are having an issue with. So I'm going to find some double-sided tape, and I'm going to put it right here underneath that cable, and I'm going to stick that cable up to the bottom of that piece of molded plastic. Sorry, right there, that cable that runs up to the screen. That's going to get double stuck down. Everything else will get rerouted or routed to make sure that it's away from the fan, and that should cover everything. And then I'm going to put it all back together and show off some prints from it when they're done this afternoon. Y'all have a great day. Bye.